Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today we're taking a quick look at the history button. The history button? What's that? Well, I'm glad you asked. On our Waymark AI page and within our AI generation flow, you will see this history button. This button opens a catalog of all your videos you've generated as well as videos you've turned into drafts and even rendered and downloaded for as long as you've used the platform. So let's say you had a busy day generating. All your generations will be saved here as well as any regenerations of those videos. Here's what information you'll find here. The date the videos were created, the logo, video ID number, a preview of the VO script, if the video was generated, turned into a draft, or rendered off as a completed, as well as the length and template type. If the video is regenerated, your regeneration will indicate what was locked for that regeneration. All you have to do is click into it if you want to go to that video. If you're looking to where your drafts and completed videos are kept, head over to the account page under Account and use the filters to filter by drafts, completed video, or both. If you need to go back to your generations in the History tab, click AI and there you go. Quick note, if you start from the templates page and create a video within a chosen template, your video will automatically go to the accounts page as a draft and not show up in the History tab. Keep all your creations with our History feature here on Waymark. Have fun!
Downloading.